To simplify the lives of our IT service management community, we co-created ServiceNow standard change templates that will fast-track the implementation of GXP and non-GXP IT changes. By making your low-risk and recurring IT changes pre-authorized, it will save you time and effort from the same pre-deployment activities such as change planning, risk and impact assessment, and most importantly, the repetitive approvals. To ensure you maximize the value of Snow standard change templates, we've launched a 1-hour workshop program that is meant for smaller groups of 3 to 15 participants per batch. This is to ensure that you can participate and ask the questions you are too shy to ask in a large group. Provided that you have completed the pre-work, we should be able to publish your template within 1 day. Want to know if this 1-hour session is worth your time? Don't take my word for it. Let's hear what the early adopters have to say.
For some of my changes, I got to know today that I can use a standard change. So it's good for me. It really helped me to create standard changes.
Thank you for this session. It is very useful. I am sure that I will find a way to make some template which will be very useful for our field.
This will help us simplify the patching process we perform on a monthly basis. So the standard template will really help us.
Yeah, I think this really helps us, especially because most of our applications in Singapore are GXP.
The one difference I can see is that the request catalog has a lot more restrictions and workflows, and it's more complicated to even get the template up and running. However, the standard change is, to me, is very straightforward. Thank you.
Currently, in my service, all of the changes are normal change. So we have to write all of the questions and answer it repeatedly, even though most of them are not applicable. So with the standard template, so we don't have to do the NAE answering the question with not applicable most of the time. So this is really saving us a lot of time.
You have to be very strategic now if you have to do the change. But I think with the standard change template, it will be easier, and it will make our lives easier as well. Supporting and also doing proactive changes to maybe improve the service or stabilize the service.
So I want to advocate this with the team, also with IT operations, that somehow they will help them to implement some repetitive change that they do daily or weekly.
Want to be part of the next batch of early adopters? Type ITSM in the comment section and we'll forward the invites where the limited slots are available.